everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print from coupons.com, but I print my coupons on Swagbucks and my points because I save my points to use for when I need gift cards or Christmas. But it looks like they added a $2 John Frieda coupon. We got Silk, another Silk coupon. We got Prego 20 or 75 cents off of 2. We have a Lysol, which I think is still available. I had it clipped to my card last night, but I never printed it. More Gerber coupons, 7th generation. Another $1 off centered 7th generation. Can't speak to already this morning. Some other yogurts and Smart Ones. Yeah, Kellogg's $1 off of 2. We got the Dole fridge packs, another Gardy. Some of these did reset, and some of them I didn't print off. But I'm just going to zoom in for you guys just a little bit. Post is still available. Purina Bella is still available. 1 a day. All that stuff. Not a lot of new coupons from when I looked. Here's $2.50 off of Lubriderm. And a lot of Aveeno coupons are available. I'm going to kind of pass on the Aveeno unless I see something good. But there is a lot of that. Here's 75 cents off a Windex. I'm going to print that off just in case. More Aveeno. Like, it's just everywhere. $1 off scrubbing bubbles. I do have a buy one get one free coupon that I got printed from the other day. So I'm just going to hold off on, well, I'll just print it off anyways. It doesn't cost hardly anything for me to print my coupons. Breathe Right, $1.75. We got the RX bar. But that is pretty much it. There is not a lot of coupons to print, you guys. Like, it's kind of sad, and I'm hoping it gets better. But the Gummy Fun, whatever, is still available. $3 off of 2. L'Oreal, $1 off. Arm & Hammer, $1.50 off. 2 off, $1 off. Those are still all available. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I'm only printing 4 coupons. It's kind of sad. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.